Hey baby, wish you many many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with lots of love and happiness and success and whatever you want, okay? So I tried to make a video for you. Not sure if it is as good as yours, but today's the time. So stay tuned and keep watching. Here you go.
Okay, pivotara. Pomelo? It's your birthday.
Everybody, let's sing happy birthday. Welcome, Team DJ.
थोड़ी नादानी, थोड़ी शैतानी, थोड़ी मनमानी, थोड़ी खींचातानी, थोड़ा शोर, थोड़ा शोर, थोड़ा रंग, थोड़ी उमंग, जब बच्चे थे थोड़ी
कच्ची थी, आगे का मुझको आता नहीं।
Happy birthday, Anil. God bless you, my son. Nanu, mamu को happy birthday बोल दे. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, मामू. साहिल का मामू. हैं?
साहिल हैप्पी बर्थडे, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
हाँ जी, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम विद फैमिली। बाहर हम जा नहीं सकते तो ऑब्वियसली देर इज नो अदर चॉइस, बट या लाइक आई सेड, probably today is the day when everybody else can make some dishes for you while you have been the chef all this while, so enjoy your entire day today. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Bhai. You're truly a blessing to us. May God bless you with lots of happiness and success in your life. Happy birthday once again. Love you. Bye, Farah.
Handsome.
Hey, Hamza.
Wish you many many happy returns of the day. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिनों 50,000. Happy birthday. Wish you good health. Lots and lots of success and prosperity in life. Enjoy your birthday to the fullest. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
जहाँ बैठे हैं कृपया वहीं बैठे रहें. आगे का कार्यक्रम जारी
Happy
है.
birthday to you, G. Many, many happy returns of the day. May God bless my champion. You are a treasure of my life. I definitely see you as my godfather. You have always filled my life with lots of love and happiness. There is nothing better I could have ever asked for. God has already blessed me with the best. You are such a loving person. I love being around you. I love talking to you. I love I love going out with you, and whatever I like, I feel privileged to be a part of your life, and I always look forward for the time we spend with each other. And definitely you are the best person, and you have done a lot, and I owe you for whatever you have done. You have always stood by my side, and you have always picked me up from my lows, and definitely I love you a lot. You are the best, and may God bless you. May you get whatever you are looking forward for. You definitely deserve it. You have done a lot for many people, and a person like you definitely deserves the best. And hoping this lockdown ends up really soon. I'm looking forward to meet you as soon as possible, and it's been long I have not met you, so I'm looking forward to all these things to end up soon, and I got a chance to meet you, and most probably we are having lots of party to do. So just hoping for the best, and hope we get to do it as soon as possible. So lots of love to you. May God bless you, and may you have a wonderful day and a year ahead. And once again, wishing you many happy returns of the day. God bless you, and lots of love to you. You are the best.
Hi Sahil, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sahil.
God bless you and have a successful year ahead. जल्दी मिलते हैं, लॉकडाउन खुलने दो.
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो टेक केयर, बाय.
हेलो भाई,
विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे एंड पार्टी करेंगे, नहीं पार्टी नहीं, भंडारा करेंगे। भाई का बर्थडे है तो भंडारा ही होगा।
आई विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। बहुत टाइम हो गया मिले हुए, बहुत जल्दी मिलना है, बहुत सारी पार्टीज लेनी है तेरे से, तो तब तक एंजॉय विद योर फैमिली एंड योर लवली वाइफ, एंड जल्दी मिलते हैं, पार्टी करते हैं। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई, लव यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू भाई।
टू यू जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी।
और सुना है आज किसी का बर्थडे है, लॉकडाउन में कैसे सेलिब्रेट करोगे हैं? हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, बाय।
हैप्पी बर्थडे साहिल भैया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे मैन।
हैप्पी बर्थडे ओ आजा कर ले मौज मस्तियां, खुशियां मिलने न यार सस्तियां, रब तो दुआ मैं मंगा खुश तू रहे। इट्स योर बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, इट्स योर बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, बर्थडे।
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Sahil.
Happy birthday Sahil.
Hi Sahil, happy birthday. Let's go to Goa. Bye bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, bhaiya. Love you.
Happy birthday Sahil. Have a good day. Enjoy.
Happy birthday Sahil.
Yo.
Hey Sahil, hi. Many happy returns of the day. Lockdown time, so we'll raise a toast online. But once the lockdown gets over, you know what happens. Party. Alright, see you. Happy birthday once again.
Sahil, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Congratulations, Disha and Sharma family.
Happy lockdown birthday, Sahil. Enjoy your day in your home.
Hey Sahil, happy birthday. Have a good day, very special day. First birthday with your better half. I'm sure this is not what you would have expected. Maybe you would have planned on a lot of partying. But let me tell you, spending your birthday with your near and dear ones has a special flavor of its own. Have many good birthdays. Be an achiever all your life and wishing you all the best. Have a great day.
Today is a birthday. I wonder who. It must be somebody right in the room. So look around for somebody who is happy and smiling. Oh my goodness, it's you.
जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000, तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000, बहुत सारा प्यार, लव यू मामू।
Happy birthday Sahil मामू। Happy birthday। मुझे नींद आ रही है, मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ। मैंने सोचा सोने से पहले विश कर दूँ। Happy birthday।
Happy birthday Tatu।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sahil Chachu. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
A very happy birthday to you, Mamu. Wish you all the success in the world and enjoy your dirty 30.
Happy birthday Sahil. Enjoy your day and the year. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Sahil. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Sahil. Happy birthday to you.
Sahil, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day today. Stay safe. Be happy. Bye bye.
Hi, new Mamu. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May you get the best in life. Have a happy quarantine birthday and utilize it to the fullest, because next year it's going to be the Papa's birthday. Have a great one.
Happy birthday, Sahil. Hey, Sahil. Wishing you a very happy birthday, man. Keep rocking. Mauj kari ro.
Hey, Mr. Husband. A lot of people love you a lot. So, कहीं मत जाना मेरे दोस्त, क्योंकि मैसेजेस अभी बाकी है.
हाय साहिल, हैप्पी बर्थडे, मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. जन्मदिन की लख बधाइयाँ. आप जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. आप जियो हजारों साल, ये हमारी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जीजू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साहिल, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू साहिल जीजू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे साहिल. एंजॉय द डे. घर पर ही अब क्या कर सकते हैं, लॉकडाउन खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. और सब घर पे ही सबके फैमिली के साथ अच्छे से एंजॉय करो. वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sahil. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sahil. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Happy birthday once again. Bye-bye. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Sahil. Hope you're having a good one. And I know that you know why I'm using this filter, but it's a secret. Shh. Bye-bye.
Hey, hi Sahil. Wish you a very happy birthday. Have fun. Stay blessed.
Hello Sahil. Many happy returns of the day. I hope you have a fantastic day and a fantastic year to come.
Happy birthday, Sahil.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Sahil.
Hi Sahil, I'm very happy that you are my birthday mate. Wish you a very happy birthday. Sending you a lot of air hugs from 6 feet away.
Hi Sahil, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day in whatever ways you can amidst all the lockdown.
Hi Chizya ji, wish you a very happy returns of the day. And yeah, lockdown है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but yeah, have a blast. Love you.
Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sahil. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sahil.
Hey Sahil, happy birthday. After lockdown, let's drink Yamazaki together. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hey Sahil, wish you a very happy birthday. I'm sure this lockdown is stopping us to meet. I'm waiting to meet you once this lockdown is over. Enjoy yourself, keep winning, be like a rock star the way you always are. Okay? Happy birthday once again. Many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Sahil. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday Sahil. God bless you. And you're turning 30. सबसे पहले बुड्ढा तू हो रहा है हमारे ग्रुप में. And we are still in 20s. So you're turning 30. All the best. Good luck. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Sahil. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day and take care. Happy life, happy family, all the best. Happy birthday to you. Love you.
It's your birthday, Sahil, a first birthday after your marriage. So enjoy a lot, and especially in the lockdown time. So happy birthday. We wish you lots of luck, happiness, everything. So just enjoy it to the fullest.
Happy birthday, भाई. देख तेरे लिए मैंने दारू भी खोल ली है.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Cheers.
birthday.
Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Sahil Chachu.
साहिल भाई मेरे, विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. जन्मदिन की बहुत बधाई. मुझे पता है तेरे स्पेशल बर्थडे इस बार. दिशा तेरे साथ है. इससे बेटर क्या हो सकता है. खूब सारा एंजॉयमेंट करो. कल सारा दिन खाओ पियो मस्त रहो. दुनिया की हर खुशी तुझे मिले. और बहुत जल्दी हम लोग बैठे हैं और एक सॉलिड पार्टी हो भाभी के साथ. All the very best and wish you a very happy birthday once again.
Hey, so your host is back again. Don't think the video ends here, but so there's a chota sa surprise waiting for you for tomorrow. So meanwhile, you enjoy a last performance for the day by Nanhe.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mamu. Happy birthday to you. You're the best